Your people have rejected your covenant, torn down your altars, and killed your prophets. I alone am left, and now they seek to take my life.
How long will you people waver between two opinions? If the Lord is God, follow him. If Baal, follow him. Aneni Adonai Aneni, v'yadu ha'am hazeh, ki ata Adonai ha'Elohim.
I will have my revenge, Elijah. By this time tomorrow, you'll be as dead as any one of those prophets.
Why did you ever come here? A holy man barging in, exposing my sin and killing my son.
Give me your son. Adonai Elohai Tashavna, Nefesh HaYeled Hazeh Yirba. I am the only one of the Lord's prophets left, but Baal has 450. Let them call on the name of their God. I will call on the name of the Lord. The God who answers by fire, he is God.